canyons. I'll be driving through till sundown. The radio plays, and I can see for miles around. Long, long time from town to town on this two-lane highway to Rosebud. Sand hills, Great Plains, big blue skies and freight trains, old man waves from a pickup passing by, just trying to catch his eye on this two-lane highway to Rosebud. I'm blown by the blur of the years flying by. Oh, I don't know why. There's a sign by the road and it makes me cry. It says Easter and Valentine, Easter and Valentine. All the miles behind won't get me any closer to where I'm going or who I might have to be. You'd see the horizon. After that, I don't know. Just trying to say goodbye on this two-lane highway to Rosebud. On this two-lane highway